And I just want to say, also thank you.
Because imagine, if Okay. You did it though. You did.
Hold on. Can you call my mom though, please?
Why you want me to call your mom though?
No, nigga, because she said I can't like that. She said I can't come up here.
Niggas, don't put that on me, nigga.
I